Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Inform video. In today's video, we're talking about is the S22 coming to Boost Mobile and other prepaid carriers. So let's go ahead and take a look. Right now, if you go to boostmobile.com, you will find that answer. So we'll check it out, guys. And of course, we'll look at some potential prices for this phone and potential prices on Boost as well as regular prices. So like I said, if you go to boostmobile.com and you actually scroll down a little bit, you will see that they actually are showing this right here. So the Epic Standard, remember, I made a video about this being leaked on February 9th, 2020. Oh, that's actually a typo. You guys see that, right? So that should be 2022. So I don't know why that's there, but it says so I don't know. That might be a Boost or maybe a Samsung error, but it's, of course, that was almost 2 years ago. You know what I mean? So this is the Epic Standard Galaxy Unpacked. February 9th, 2020. So big error there on Boost's side or Samsung's side, really. It says live on Samsung.com, guys. So of course, this is showing you right now. It's on Boost Mobile's website. So, this leads me to believe that yes, this phone is coming to Boost Mobile, and we'll check the other two prepaid carriers. But like I said, that's all the information we have. So of course, on February 9th, 2022, we will have the Unpacked event where, of course, I will show the official specs, the official price. Everything right now is kind of rumored. Some of it's kind of leaked, but like I said, it's not official until it actually comes out, and we'll know on February 9th. So still no release date when it'll actually be on Boost Mobile, but like I said, we can only see that it will probably be available pretty soon in February. Like I said, the event will be February 9th, 2022. Let's look at the other two prepaid carriers. So as you can see, this is Cricket Wireless. I do not see anything that would say that's coming to Cricket Wireless like it is on Boost Mobile. So it's still just their Cricket Wireless. So most likely it will be out on Cricket. Might be maybe a day later or so. Let's look at Metro by T-Mobile. Same thing. Nothing that I see. So really, Boost Mobile is really the only prepaid carrier that I see that's actually even advertising about the event. Like I said, this does not mean that it will not come to Metro or Cricket. They will, of course, come out. They're big competitors. Metro is with T-Mobile, Cricket is with AT&T. So definitely they will come out. Now, usually on Boost Mobile, the phone is a little bit cheaper. Talking about prices, let's look at this article by Tom's Guide. So this is talking about the Samsung Galaxy S22 price leaked, so on all three models. So of course, like I said, the Unpacked event is going to be February 9th at, it looks like 10 a.m. Eastern time. Cool. So early in the morning. It says Tech Insider via Twitter also confirmed a leak about the Galaxy S22 price. A survey appeared for some Google Play option rewards users via Reddit asking if they wanted to upgrade to the S22. The survey also listed the price. So looks like via Google Play option rewards, there are some leaks that came out with the price. So it says Galaxy S22 is going to be $900, guys. Wow. So $899. The Galaxy S22 Plus is going to be at $1,100. And the Galaxy S22 is going to be about $1,300. Like I said, I like to round up. So those are a $100 increase over the equivalent S21 models. So yeah, guys, that's an extra $100 more. Now, what's the price I think will be on Boost Mobile? Boost Mobile tends to keep these prices when they come out. Now, of course, as you can see, like the S21 FE, it was about $300 cheaper. But with the flagship phones, I don't think Boost Mobile deducted too much. Maybe it might be $100, maybe $200 at most. If not, it's going to be full price. We'll know, of course, more when it comes out, the official price. But like I said, my speculation with the phones coming out, they're probably going to be the same price that you're seeing here, maybe $100 less if we get lucky. If not, you're probably looking at $900, $1,100, or $1,300, guys. So like I said, here's the US prices. This is for US. For that regular S22, $900. 22 should say plus, should be $1,100, and then the Ultra is about $1,300. So not too shabby, guys. Says according to Roland Quant, journalist and tech leaker, the standard Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus will stay the same price as S21 versions in Europe at least. Wow. So here in the US, I guess with the whole chip shortage and everything, here's even more stuff here on the pricing and stuff. Like I said, I'm guessing with chip shortage, it's costing a lot, especially with, you know, these guys or this thing going on. It's really causing inflation. Like I said, shortage, supply chain, inflation, everything's causing everything to go up. You know, you probably go to the grocery store and you see that as well. And here's what the Google option reward just talked about. S22, there you go. Wow, so sneaky stuff coming out. Oh wow. So like I said, that's $100 increase from the S21s of last year, guys. Of course, we still had, you know, the big C going on, but of course, a lot of people are going to be more pushed towards the Ultra with having a built-in S Pen, super clear lens, and a 108 megapixel main camera, which is really good. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this and these prices. Like I said, like most likely Boost Mobile might give you us a $100 discount. Not sure just yet. If not, they usually, when they first launch, at least they come out to be the full price. So let's see. I'm very excited. Which models do you think will actually come out of Boost Mobile? Do you think we'll get all three, or do you think sometimes we don't get all three models? We might just get the standard 22 and maybe the Plus, and then later they'll add the Ultra, or we might actually get all three. So it's can't wait for, you know, February 9th to see the Unpacked event, guys. So let's stay tuned and find more information. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and good video for everybody to get more information on. So check it out, guys.